Square root of 3.02 times pi. How to calculate it? So, we know what is the square root of 3 times 3. Let's introduce the function square root of x times y. We know the value of this function at 0.33. And we need to calculate its value at 0.3.02 pi. To do this, remember that the increment of a function is approximately equal to the differential of this function. Find the differential of a function of several variables as the sum of products of partial derivatives and the corresponding differentials. Let's find the partial derivative of a function with respect to the variable x. Similarly for variable y. Since x and y are independent variables, their differentials are equal to their increments. Substitute everything into the equation and calculate the value.